we present you a new video. We hope you find it useful. In the future, I will present you with other interesting videos. Subscribe and you won't miss them. How to repair adaptive headlights, BMW E90. This problem often occurs due to a lack of tightness of the headlight and water enters the AFS module. The problem appeared after the car wash. To dry the headlight, leave the back cover removed for a few hours. To find the area where the water enters, it is necessary to dismantle the headlight. Remove the 4 headlight fixing screws with TX30. This is the 4th screw. To have access, you need to remove the headlight support. Remove the fixing screws of the module and remove the module. Use an electrical contact spray to clean the connections. The new module has the part number 6312 7,189,312. Install the new module. Mount the headlight, front bumper, and other accessories. Check if it works well. It is necessary to use a diagnostic system to code the new module. Function check after coating the module. The system works perfectly. I hope you found this video useful. I'll be back with more interesting videos soon. Do not miss other videos that may interest you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.